So y'all, I got them organized. They are so pretty. The beads are so pretty. So I am getting ready to attempt to make me a Pandora bracelet. So I'm gonna use these pins right here. I'm using these, and they're gonna go on here so they'll be able to hang better. And that spacer, I got it for my regular bracelets, but they fit perfect on these Pandora chains. You can get them from Amazon as well. And these right here don't turn. They do not turn. I like them. I have them on some of my bracelets. Because sometimes I make my own charms with these. But I love working with this wire. I do. I like working with this. But these are the colors I chose for my Pandora bracelet. Now I might put more. I'm gonna see what it looked like with just these colors. That's my favorite color, and then I have this bead as well. But y'all, let me put it together real quick. I should put two beads on one. I'm gonna see what it look like. Look at that face. It's so cute, isn't it? So as you can see, I've made the charms. Yeah, they so easy to make. And I thought this was cute. So that's how I done it. And as you can see, this is just gonna hang off like that. But I'm gonna put the bracelet together so you can see what it look like. I don't think I'm gonna use this bead. So I would have to find a couple more beads for it to go with to put on here, but we gonna see. Be right back. Okay, I just finished the look. I'm gonna also try it on so y'all can see what it look like. But look at this. Don't that look like a handcuff? That is too cute. I love that. But let me know if y'all think I should put this in my store or scratch it. This is mine. Now I made this for me. My favorite color. But do you think I should make more of Pandora bracelets? Let me know down in the comments. And that's it on. And y'all, it was able to fit, but I had to try to tighten it. And it's on the last one. So I want to say this is a 7 for the bracelet. But yes, I like it.